So, welcome. This is Hunter, let's restart. Hey guys, welcome to another video, another exercise tutorial here in Success Fitness in Maplewood. I really hope you guys are enjoying these training sessions, the exercises that I'm showing you and incorporating them into your training sessions, okay? Today I have the rope tricep extension or cable tricep extension, okay? First off, always make sure this is up nice and high so that you're not bottoming out. Grab onto the rope down at the bottom portion there. Right there, okay. And what you're gonna do, step back from the actual rope. Don't be like up in here like this, going like that, no. Step back, right? Wide stance, bracing into the core. I love giving people a little bit of a cue to lean forward, tuck the elbows all the way up as far as you can, without letting your elbows do this. Come here. Then I go down, 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 and extend. Up, 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 up. Here, down and extend. And notice I am rotating my hands out at the bottom. It's going to hit the outer head of your triceps. Remember, you have 3 heads of your triceps. Each one gets hit from doing different movements. This is a really good exercise to actually hit all 3 a little bit, right? It's not optimal, for certain heads, but it hits all 3 better than pretty much any other exercise that I know of. And I know of a lot of exercise. Thanks so much for watching. Over and out.